This is a quick walk-around video of the Forrest Manufacturing Model B2 tilting head bandsaw. Special colors you may have noticed. Normally we make our machines gray. This customer has better taste than we do and opted for this nice blue color. We decided to go ahead and paint the guards yellow. Otherwise, this is the familiar Model B2, but not everybody's gotten to see all the goodies. Of course, we have it tilted over 45 degrees right now. We have not done the finish painting. We'll just give the customer and anybody else who's interested an idea of what's going on here. So the gimmick, such as it were, for this machine is that the saw head travels on a semi-circular track. You can make out a piece of it there, actuated by an Acme screw. It pushes against the saw head. Use a reversible gear motor here with a brake to actuate that. So the operator will stand about where I am here, load a workpiece, push the table in out. Can I borrow you as an actor? Get in there where the operator would stand. Go ahead and stroke the table in out. So the operator can stroke the table in out here. At his right hand, he has the machine controls. We've got two sets of buttons, the tilt and the saw start stop. So right now it's tilted what we call the forward position, 45 degrees. Hit the reverse button for me. And it goes from 45 over to vertical. We have a electronic digital angle meter we attach to the saw, but we ship that separately. It's so cool that it almost never actually makes it to the customer. It winds up getting pilfered out of the packaging at some point. That's good enough. Go ahead and start the saw motor for me. That's the other button combination. Saw start. And so from here the operator can just move it table forward. Go ahead and move the table forward. And cuts up whatever you want. Okay. Stop the blade motor. The operator guard here is not a standard feature. It's something the customer asked for. Some people like them, some people don't. This one here, we've got metal mesh to keep your operator from touching the blade accidentally. Of course, the safe way to operate this saw is always to put the workpiece on the table and then move the table to make the cut. So this guard includes a little hand grip, basically, handlebar, let's call it. If you want to pull the guard, what you need to do to change the blade, we've got a couple pins come out. Guard pulls straight out. Okay, set that aside if you would. And then you can see here, the blade runs in what we call the blade slot because we lack imagination. To pull the blade out, you open this gate. Would you open the gate for me, please? A little stiff, not lubricated, new machinery. That's what splices the table together, keeps everything square and level in operation. Lock it back in. That's what allows you to change the blade out. This machine has a dust nozzle underneath. Let's see if I can get a view of that. Would you pull the table all the way to the home position, please? Thank you. Okay, we can make it out here. There's what we call the dust nozzle underneath the saw. Has a 2-inch pipe coupling as a connection port. You can hook a vacuum hose to that and collects the dust underneath the table. The tilt mechanism has travel stops. You can see there's a limit switch down here, limit switch here at either end, stops it from over traveling. Tension mechanisms on the back side here. We use a screw over spring tension mechanism on this machine. Adjustable blade guide. Upper blade guide with the guard is adjustable for height, depending if you're cutting thick or thin. On these machines though, since it tilts over 45 degrees, that tends to stay in the upper position. But that is pretty much the features of the Model B2. If you have any questions, feel free to call us or email us here at Forrest Manufacturing. Thank you.